Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna replace our radio. We have a used one right here. So that's the code. Make sure you get your code from this radio and also get the VIN from the radio. Also you get the VIN from the car you're gonna take the radio from. So you can see how the screen shift up, because you can see right here cut off. So you can see that the screen shift up. If I press phone, it press language instead. So guys, turn off the car, disconnect the battery, make sure there ain't no power going there. So get a flathead screwdriver. So you can get underneath here, pry down. So basically we need to pry this whole part out. So start from a side and start from this side right here with a flathead screwdriver and just work your way around. Work your way around, even on this side. Alright guys, so now we get that off. What we can do, we can disconnect the switch, or we can leave it just like that. It's not a big deal. We're gonna leave it just like that, guys. And also what you guys can do for me is subscribe to the channel if I help you. So down here, you're gonna have 2 screws. Oh, so you gotta take this off first. So just pull on it, it just have some clips. You can leave it hanging right there, not a big deal. And underneath here, gonna have 2 screws. You have one on this side right here. Turn the light on, see if I can get you a close-up view. Flip it around. So you're gonna have one right there, one right there. So there you go, guys. You're gonna have one on each side. So we're gonna go from the top right here. And what you want to do is, when you take it out where it's not turning anymore, you can remove this. So it's not turning anymore. What you want to do is put your finger through here. Try to hold the screw so it don't fall. Because if it fall, you don't want it to fall. So if it fall, you're going to have to get another screw. Even though mine fall. But lucky me, mine stopped right here, so I can get it with my fingers. But you don't want yours to fall down, and you might have to take off this piece or get another screw, whichever way you want to go. But if you do it like how I do it, you should be okay. And guys, please subscribe to the channel. Support the channel with the links in the description. Alright, have another screw out. So at the top you can see it look like somebody been in there. So we're gonna get a flathead screwdriver. They use too much force. All you gotta do is go on this side, pry it up a little bit, pry it up a little bit. Don't pry it from this side of the dash. That don't make no sense, because you're gonna damage the dash. You're changing the radio, so pry on the radio. It's not a big deal. But if you just taking out the radio, try not to pry on it, because you don't want to damage the display of the radio. Alright, so there we go. Take that out. So once we take that out, I wonder if that was the reason why the radio messed up. I don't know. I just get it to work on, so diagnose the radio and we just changing the radio. So the radio gonna have some clips in the back too that's gonna lock in the radio. Once you remove these 4 screws, the radio gonna want to come out, but it's gonna have some clips that's gonna hold it, and we'll just pull back on it. There go the clips, one right here, one right there. All right, so now we gotta pull back on these clips. I'm gonna give you a closer view on all this. Alright, so we have the radio. Alright guys, so this is the clip. You gotta pull back on the clip like this and push down on the black piece, and that will make you unplug the clip. And you gotta pull back on this red piece and push down on this piece, and it will make you unplug the clip as well. Unplug the radio. So now we're gonna get the radio. I'm gonna take a picture of this so I can have this code in case I need to give it to the dealers to get it unlocked. So guys, we just want to plug these in. And now we can test the radio, make sure the radio works. So we're going to turn it on. Seems good so far. So let's see if it need a code. Apparently not. And let's see if the radio work. So yeah guys, the radio work. So we're just gonna find a channel.
FM. You will have in scripture.
Alright, so there you go. That's how you change the radio. What we're gonna do now is turn it back off, and we're gonna put everything back together. We're gonna catch back our 4 screws. We're gonna catch the 2 at the top. Catch 2 at the top. We're gonna catch the 2 at the bottom. So be careful on these one. These you gotta be extra careful. Or maybe if you hold it like this and don't shake too much. So guys, how I do it is I push it, let me see, I'll hold this like this, push it through here with my other finger to hold underneath this bottom of the screw, and then we find the hole. So yeah guys, the camera died, but that's how I catch it, as how I was showing it to you in the beginning earlier. And then once you do that, you can just snug up the screws. You don't have to over tighten them. And you can snug all screws up. Alright, we're going to put this back. Snap that back into place. And line up this with all the respective holes. Just snap them into place. And now we gotta go over this side and line those up and snap it in. Alright, so get these lined up, snap them in. Get this line up here, snap it in. That was there before I even touched this car, so it's not me. So yeah guys, that's it for this video guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.